Hey guys, welcome to Future Tech TV. Today I'm here with the Oneplus 8T that was newly released like 2 weeks ago. So I have already unboxed this smartphone and I've been using it for the past 2 weeks. And inside the box you get the 65 watts charger and the USB Type-C to Type-C cable, which charges the phone in almost 45 minutes from 0 to 100. So that is the only thing that is available inside the box. Rest you get a TPU case, which I have been using it and it already turned yellow, so this is like really bad quality. Don't use it, buy another case if you want to. So that is all that is inside the box. Let's get rid of it. So the phone is the aquamarine green color that I got. This is an 8GB 128GB version. There is also another variant that is the silver color variant, which comes at around 12GB to 256GB internal storage. So these are the two variants of the Oneplus 8T that you can buy in India right now. So coming to the physical dimensions compared to the OnePlus 8 Pro, the OnePlus 8T is actually shorter than the OnePlus 8 Pro but wider than the OnePlus 8 Pro. This is the Oppo Find X2, which has the exact dimensions of the OnePlus 8 Pro. I don't have the OnePlus 8 Pro with me. You will have to do with this smartphone for now. So these two are like really similar in terms of specifications. So let's get to the external specifications of this smartphone. The sides of the smartphone has the right side of the smartphone has the power button and the alert slider, and on the left side of the smartphone we have the volume rockers. On the top of the phone there is only one hole for the microphone, and on the bottom of the phone you get the SIM card slot and the USB Type-C charging port and the speaker grill. The major disadvantage of this smartphone is that the camera system of the smartphone, plus there is no headphone jack, and the display resolution is capped at 1080p. These are the major flaws in this smartphone. So coming to other specifications is that the phone is powered by a Snapdragon 865 processor, so you can expect topmost performance from this smartphone. Coming to the display quality of the smartphone, this is a really good panel with 120Hz display with 1080p resolution. The texts are reasonably sharp and the color accuracy is also really nice. I have no issues watching content on the smartphone, and it is really easy to hold in hand, and it is really lightweight compared to the OnePlus 8 Pro. Coming to the general day-to-day usage of the smartphone, the performance of the smartphone is comparable to any other flagship smartphone of 2020. With the 120Hz display, the Snapdragon 865 processor, the performance of the smartphone is really amazing. You will never feel like it's going to slow down or have any hiccups while you are using the smartphone. So the major downfall of this smartphone is its camera system. This phone uses a Sony IMX586 sensor, which has been used by a lot of smartphones over the past few years. So this is an age-old sensor, but it takes decent photos in really good bright conditions, and I've been using it extensively for the past 2 weeks, and I can say that in bright daylight conditions this camera is really good. But as soon as the lights dim, the phone camera fails to take good photos. But I have found a fix for this. Just install Google Camera onto this smartphone and you can get amazing results. After you fine tune the Google Camera settings, you can get amazing results from the smartphones. So coming to the battery life of the smartphone, compared to the OnePlus 8, the battery life has increased to 4500 milliamperes, and it can fast charge at around 65 watts. So that is an amazing improvement in terms of battery performance. The phone lasts me around 7 hours plus with the 120Hz mode on, so that is comparable to any other flagship smartphone in 2020. So the overall performance of the smartphone is really great. I miss the curved displays on the OnePlus 8 Pro. This is a flat display and it is a bit wider to hold in hands, but it is really lightweight to hold in hands well. So I'm really enjoying using this smartphone as my daily driver. So I'll be posting the gaming review of the smartphone plus really extensive camera comparison between the Oppo Find X2 and the OnePlus 8T on my channel. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and please use my affiliate links below. I will be linking it below on this video, and you can use that to buy this smartphone from Amazon, or I'll be linking the buying links to Oppo phone as well. So and a couple of things that I have used in this video in my description, so you can check that out if you want to. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.